Lessons on how to take Cornell notes. Cornell notes are useful for all kinds of situations. They encourage you to concentrate, organize your information. They are very efficient and time-saving. They are incredibly easy to use, helpful for your memory, and you can use them for review and study for tests and quizzes. How do you start to take Cornell notes? You are going to use the 5 stages in Cornell Note Method to take down your notes. You're going to record, reduce, recite, reflect, and review. Let's look at each of these stages. Stage number 1, record your notes. First, you need to prepare your paper before you can take your notes. You're going to create sections and label those sections. Take the left edge and fold it over the hot dog way about 1/3 of the way. Unfold this section, and now we're going to fold up and make a bottom section. So we're going to take the bottom edge and fold it up the hamburger way about 4 or 5 spaces. After unfolding the bottom section, we're going to draw on the line. So here's the fold. Take your pencil, draw all the way on the horizontal line, and you're going to draw all the way on the vertical line with your pencil. Now we're going to write the reference in. You're going to put your topic on the left, your name, class, and date like you usually do on papers. You're going to write in Q for the left column, notes for the right column, and summary for the bottom section. Now you're ready to take notes. Note taking involves taking important facts, dates, people, places, etc. down. It uses abbreviations and symbols as shortcuts. You use charts, diagrams, or graphs to explain information quickly in pictorial form. You can use bullet, outline, or picture forms to organize your information. Separate main ideas or main points by skipping lines and be legible so you can read them later. Jane Doe here wrote her notes down. Notice that she used symbols and abbreviations. She wrote important information down. She skipped lines between main ideas. She used bullet form to point out important information. It was legible, and she used pictures also. Stage number 2, reduce your notes. Well, when class is over, you need to review and reduce your notes at home. This will increase your memory and recall about 80%. You do this by going to the Q column and in single words or phrases, writing keywords, phrases, main ideas, or key points. You follow this by writing any possible questions that your teacher may ask, or you have, and making connections to what you have learned. Down in the bottom section, you're going to write a 4 to 5 sentence summary that tells me or somebody else what the notes were about and why they are important. Jane Doe here wrote vocabulary words. She wrote questions, main ideas, and key points, and then she wrote her summary at the bottom. Stage number 3, recite your note. Reciting your notes means to cue your memory by covering up the notes and trying to remember what the notes were all about. You can use the cue column to jog your memory, but if you really don't remember, you better go back and review your notes and attempt to do this again. Jane Doe covered up the right side and is trying to remember. She's using the cue column to help her remember. Stage number 4, reflect on note. Reflection means thinking. Target what you have strengths in and what you have weaknesses in the knowledge. And then you're going to clarify your notes and complete them, making generalizations, conclusions, and relating concepts. Stage number 5, review your notes. If you briefly review your notes once a week, you'll retain your knowledge and it will save you time in relearning. When you go to take tests, you will have more knowledge and do better on tests. Remember the 5 R's: record, reduce, recite, reflect, so that when you record your information, you're going to reduce it, recall it, Think about it and review it.